Learn these life lessons now or regret it for the rest of your life. One day, the people who don't even believe in you will tell everyone how they met you. Keep building. Success turns doubters into storytellers. 2. When you build in silence, people don't know what to attack. Protection lies in privacy. Move quietly, rise loudly. 3. Loneliness is the price you pay when you start to improve yourself. Growth often demands solitude. Not everyone can walk your path. 4. If someone is trying to bring you down, they are already below you. Criticism from beneath you is just noise, not truth. 5. The truth is, everyone is going to hurt you. You just have to find the ones worth suffering for. Love isn't perfect. Choose people who are worth the pain. 6. If you look at the people in your circle and you don't feel inspired, you don't have a circle, you have a cage. Your environment shapes you. Choose fuel, not chains. 7. A good life has some bad days too. Perfection is a myth. Struggles are part of the blessing. 8. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Gratitude turns endings into meaningful memories. 9. When writing the story of your life, don't let anyone else hold the pen. Take ownership. No one else can live it for you. 10. Smiling doesn't always mean you're happy. Sometimes it just means you're strong. A calm face can hide a resilient heart. 11. Free yourself from society's advice. Most people have no idea what they're doing. Follow your path, not the noise of the crowd. 12. The family you create is more important than the family you come from. Blood makes you related, but choice makes you connected. 13. How many things would you attempt if you knew you could not fail? Fear limits dreams. Imagine if failure wasn't a factor. 14. If you're not willing to work for it, don't complain about not having it. Desire without action is just noise. 15. One day, all those late nights and early mornings will pay off. Consistency compounds. Keep going. 16. If you're brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you with a new hello. Endings are beginnings in disguise. 17. An eagle uses the storm to reach unimaginable heights. Obstacles can elevate you if you rise with them. 18. If a man empties his purse into his head, no one can take it from him. Knowledge is the only wealth that can't be stolen. 19. The things hardest to bear are often the sweetest to remember. Suffering teaches depth. Pain often becomes purpose. 20. The best thing I ever did was stop telling people what's going on in my life. Privacy is peace. Protect your process. 21. Words are like keys. If you choose them right, they can open any heart and shut any mouth. Language has power. Use it wisely. 22. If you only walk on sunny days, you'll never reach your destination. Growth requires showing up even when it's hard. 23. People either inspire you or drain you. Pick them wisely. Your circle is either fuel or fire. Choose energy. 24. Allow yourself to be a beginner. No one starts off being excellent. Humility is the first step to mastery. 25. Do it alone. Do it broke. Do it tired. Do it scared. Just do it. No perfect conditions needed. Action is what counts. 26. Never make a permanent decision based on temporary feelings. Let emotions pass. Let reason lead. 27th. Life has many different chapters. One bad chapter doesn't mean it's the end of the book. Every season passes. Keep turning the page.